Hi and welcome. In the previous video, we have seen that how to install CCW version 13.0. Okay, now in this video, we are going to cover installation process of CCW version 20.01, which I have downloaded from Rockwell automation website. And you can see I have extracted on my desktop and the size of this folder is 3.47 GB. So we will open this folder and we will scroll down and we will find setup.exe. So you can see here we have setup.exe. To start the installation, we will double click on it. Okay, and we will see the installation wizard. Okay, so you can see connected component workbench software standard edition version 20.01.00. Okay, so setup is preparing, and after that we will see the available options. So you can see we have two options available. Either you can do the customized installation as per your requirement, or you can go back and do the full installation or fresh installation. So we will click on install now, and then after we will accept the end user license agreement, and you can see our installation is started. Okay, so until it reaches to 100%, we have to wait. So it will take approximately half an hour to reach the 100%. So if you found any error in the installation, you can ping us on the Telegram, or you can directly comment us on this video. Okay, so we will wait until the installation is complete. Okay, so here we have to select the Ethernet adapter that we are going to use to connect with our Allen Bradley PLC. Okay, so in this case, we will use Realtek PCIe GBE family controller, and then we will press OK. So it will install the rest of the softwares. Okay. So our connected component workbench is installed successfully. As you can see, that's it. Okay, now we will go to our start menu, and then we will scroll down and we will find the Rockwell automation folder. And as you can see, connected component workbench is installed successfully. Okay, so this is how you can install CCW version 20.01.00. Okay, so we will restart our system later. So if you have any doubt, any concern, any issue with this video or with this installation, CCW version 20 installation, then you can ping us on the Telegram. You can also send an email or you can directly comment in the comment box. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.